Welcome to Skilled MBA in Studio A. Participants will master camera framing, audio chains, and live edit templates for professional recording. This hands-on experience ensures high-quality lecture capture, enhancing educational delivery. By understanding these tools, instructors can create engaging and effective learning environments, crucial for academic excellence. Studio A focuses on mastering camera framing, audio chains, and live edit templates for professional lecture recording. Studio B covers navigating digital object identifiers, open researcher and contributor ID integration, metadata management, and campus preprint workflows. Studio C delves into designing effective rubrics, crafting feedback prompts, and implementing bias prevention measures in artificial intelligence-assisted assessments. In today's digital-first education landscape, hybrid delivery methods are crucial. Quality lecture capture enhances accessibility and supports flexible learning. The open science movement emphasizes the importance of repository management for research visibility. Artificial intelligence integration in assessments requires faculty to skillfully use artificial intelligence tools, ensuring academic integrity and minimizing bias. Mastering professional-grade recording techniques enhances your teaching presence. Focus on lighting, sound quality, and camera positioning to create engaging educational content. Utilize tools like high-quality microphones and proper lighting setups to ensure clarity and accessibility, making your lectures more impactful and inclusive for diverse learning environments. Position yourself using the rule of thirds. Align your eyes with the upper third line for an engaging composition. Maintain 10 to 20% headroom to avoid a cramped or disconnected look. Opt for clean, uncluttered backgrounds to keep the focus on your message, avoiding busy patterns that distract. Choose lavalier microphones for mobility or shotgun microphones for stationary setups. USB microphones offer simplicity, while XLR microphones provide professional control. Use an audio interface to convert analog signals to digital, offering phantom power and gain control. Real-time monitoring with closed-back headphones ensures accurate audio feedback, preventing recording issues. Utilize live edit templates for efficiency. Implement fade-in introductions with title overlays and chapter breaks with consistent branding. Ensure smooth cuts between slides and use end-screen templates with contact information. These standardized templates can save 60% of post-production time, ensuring consistent branding and professional quality across all recorded lectures. In academic publishing, repositories are essential for storing and sharing research. They ensure accessibility and citation, enhancing the visibility of scholarly work. Mastering repository tools and workflows is crucial for researchers to efficiently manage their publications and increase their impact in the academic community. Digital object identifiers, DOIs, are structured with a prefix, like 10.1000, identifying the registrant, and a unique suffix assigned by publishers. Collaborate with repositories or publishers to register DOIs, ensuring metadata accuracy for discoverability. DOIs provide persistent links, maintaining access despite website changes, crucial for long-term academic content accessibility. ORCID provides a persistent digital identifier for researchers, linking publications across name changes and institutions. It automates publication tracking, reduces administrative burdens, and improves citation attribution. Additionally, ORCID enhances collaboration discovery, making it an essential tool for researchers navigating career transitions and maintaining a cohesive academic profile. Establishing submission guidelines involves defining clear criteria for preprint acceptance, focusing on scope, quality, and ethics. Implement a lightweight peer review process to ensure methodological soundness. Maintain consistent metadata standards using Dublin core elements, including funding and subject classifications. Enhance distribution by connecting to broader preprint servers and indexing services, maximizing visibility through cross-platform syndication. Harnessing AI in marking involves designing rubrics with clear, measurable criteria and performance levels. Use precise language for AI interpretation, and provide contextual examples to illustrate each performance level. This ensures consistent, unbiased assessment, enhancing both quality and efficiency in educational evaluations. Effective rubric design is crucial for AI integration. Establish clear criteria with specific, measurable outcomes. Define performance levels using detailed descriptors for each grade band. Use objective language to ensure AI interprets consistently. Provide contextual examples with sample responses to illustrate each performance level clearly. AI systems often exhibit biases, such as cultural, gender, and disciplinary biases. To mitigate these, employ diverse training data, conduct regular bias testing, and ensure human oversight. Transparent algorithmic processes are crucial for ethical AI deployment, ensuring fair and unbiased outcomes. Start by implementing one technique from each studio, focusing on basic equipment setup and rubric modifications. Form practice groups with colleagues to share templates and test workflows. Aim for full integration of all skills into teaching practice, measuring impact on student engagement and learning outcomes. Transform your academic practice by building comprehensive digital skills. Thank you.